won't get.
You like the acorns, don't you?
No, I like the tree seeds.
The tree seeds? But that's what they're called. They're called acorns.
Oh, yeah. Now we can cover the hole.
So what are you creating? Are you creating holes?
Yeah, and covering them for the caterpillar to not go in there.
Oh, okay.
Mommy, Daddy, Ariel. She's at school. Ariel! She's kind of Ariel caterpillar. That's why she's mad at her Ariel.
That's the Ariel caterpillar, or the caterpillar's calling Ariel?
The caterpillar Ariel.